പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, ഇത് ഈ പരിപാടി കാണുന്ന രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, മട്ടന്നൂർ മലബാർ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ ഇ ലേണിംഗ് സംവിധാനത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായുള്ള ഈ ഉദ്ഘാടന പരിപാടിക്ക് ഒരു പോലീസ് ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥനായ ഞാൻ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്നത് നിലവിലെ സാഹചര്യത്തിലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് കണ്ടുമടുക്കുന്നില്ല സ്ഥിരമായി കാണുന്ന യൂണിഫോം ഇല്ലാത്ത ആളുകളുടെ ഇടയിൽ നിന്നും യൂണിഫോമുള്ള ഒരാൾ വ്യത്യസ്തമായി ഒരു സർപ്രൈസ് ആയിട്ട് കാണട്ടെ എന്നുള്ളതും കൂടി വിചാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ മാനേജ്മെന്റിന്റെയും സ്റ്റാഫിന്റെയൊക്കെ ക്ഷണം സ്വീകരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ വന്നത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ പഠനം നേരിട്ട് കാണാതെ ആളുകളെ ചിരിമറച്ചുകൊണ്ടുള്ള സൗഹൃദങ്ങൾ മാത്രമായിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ കാലത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാ സൗകര്യങ്ങളോടുകൂടി പഠിക്കാനുള്ള, നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള വിഷയങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ ഇതുപോലുള്ള സംരംഭത്തിനെ അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഈ വെർച്വൽ ലോകത്തിലേക്ക് കൂടി, ഈ കൊറോണ മാറുന്ന കാലത്ത് ആക്ച്വൽ ലോകത്തിലേക്ക് നല്ല വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളായി, നല്ല മനുഷ്യരായി മാറി വരാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ പഠനം സഹായിക്കണം. ഈ പ്രതിസന്ധിയിലും എല്ലാ തരത്തിലുള്ള പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾക്കിടയിലും കരുത്തുള്ള മനുഷ്യരായി വളരുവാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസവും നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ രീതിയിലുള്ള എഫേർട്ടും സഹായിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് മാത്രം ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാ ഭാവങ്ങളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Consists of a pair of kidneys. A magnified view of the longitudinal section of kidney shows two prominent regions, a cortex and a medulla. As we zoom into the cortex region, it shows the presence of numerous nerves straightened out as loops in the medulla region.
Honorable Chairman, respected Principal, parents and students. Today, Malabar English School is setting another exclusive platform for the students called FlipLearn. It's a learning app as well as a self-evaluation app. We know that all of us are going through the toughest times that neither our fathers nor our forefathers have faced. But we are sorting out all possible ways to give you maximum comfort and continue your education without any interruption. This is the latest example of what Malabar is doing for you. As you have learned, this platform will give you or will open endless opportunities for you to make the contents very thorough for you through its lot of activities like animations, self-evaluation, descriptions, animated videos, and lot many things are waiting for you. And this is going to change the whole scenario of e-learning. I don't think that any school will take such a bold step to give this much valuable and expensive content free of cost to the students. So this is a very good platform for you. If you make use of this opportunity, I am damn sure you are going to get a large number of benefits which will make your future bright. Even though you are away from the school, this is going to be a supplement for all those missings of classroom teaching. I wish all the students to make use of this platform to the biggest possible way and test yourself, assess yourself, learn and relearn yourself, so that we'll be able to take your education forward without any interruption and without any practical issues that we are facing during this COVID-19 period. I wish all the very best for all of you, and I request all the students to make use of this platform to its maximum effective way, so that you will get the best benefit out of it. Thank you very much, and I really congratulate the management who has taken the initiative and taken the steps to give this platform to you and to this to make this platform available for you, and parents' burden also will be reduced to a large extent, because many of our parents are not in a position to explain the contents of many topics, hardest topics like mathematics, physics and science subjects. For all those problems, this is going to be a bigger solution for you, which will help you, which will help the parents. Just spend the time, quality time with them and supervise them whether they are using the app properly, and with that your job will be half done. So I wish all the very best for all the students, and I request all the students to make use of this platform to the maximum, so that it will be helpful for you to solve all your practical issues that you are facing now. Once again, all the very best. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chairman, respected Academic Director, dear parents, students, members of Malabar family, and also well-wishers of this family. Good morning, all of you. We are here to be a part of a new venture on the part of Malabar English School in the area of e-learning. You know, we are undergoing a difficult situation, but Malabar management always feel we should not be lagged behind in respect of e-learning. As you know, Malabar management is always one step ahead than any other institution in Kannur district itself, because the Malabar management feels students' education should not be hampered in any difficult situation. So here we are with a new platform, a FlipLearn, a content-based e-learning platform that give you all sort of insight into the various aspects of the subjects which you are learning in your concerned classes. So this platform will achieve its success only if you use it in a very systematic and effective manner. So my dear children, utilize this platform to get a maximum insight into your ideas, various aspects of your subjects, etc. Because only if you use it in a proper way, only if you utilize this system in a proper way, then only the aim of the management will be fulfilled. So my dear children, once again I would like to request all of you to make use of this platform so that our aim will be fulfilled in the purest way. Thank you.
പ്രിയമുള്ള രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, മലബാർ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സ്കൂളിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം എന്നും വ്യത്യസ്തമായ രീതിയിലുള്ള വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളാണ് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്ന ഒരു സരസ്വതി ക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ നമുക്കറിയാം, ആധുനിക കാലഘട്ടത്തിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഫിലിപ്പൈൻ എന്ന ലാപ്പുമായി വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെ മുമ്പിലേക്ക് കടന്നു വരികയാണ്. വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് പഠിക്കാനുള്ള എല്ലാ അവസരങ്ങളും അതിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് പെട്ടെന്ന് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് അറിവ് പകർന്നു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ആപ്പാണ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ സമർപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ സൂചിപ്പിച്ച പോലെ തന്നെ ഈ ആപ്പ് പരമാവധി ഉപയോഗപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ അറിവും ചിന്തയും കൂടുതൽ വളർത്തിയെടുക്കാനും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ രക്ഷിതാക്കൾക്കും ഇത് ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ ഒരു ആപ്പാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ആപ്പ് കൂടുതൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കണം എന്ന് മാത്രം നിങ്ങളോട് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. നിർത്തുന്നു. ജയ് ഹിന്ദ്.
Respected parents, dear students, all my Malabar family members, I am very glad to be here on this special occasion for launching the new online platform for Malabar students. We know this is a world of online, and all over the world maximum utilization of online system is in education, so that Malabar also standing in front to utilize and develop the system for the betterment of the children and to make the learning system into a pleasurable one. As we know, every system is utilized when the user is using in a better manner. here I would like to request all the children to utilize maximum this platform. The main features of this platform is, as you are getting live classes from the school as usual, you will get it here. At the same time, you can accelerate your study material by using the platform which going to give you in animation mode and narration mode. Until otherwise you are not practicing the whole system of this app, definitely there is no much benefit out of it. But if you started to use it, you are getting the subject in a good manner, you can learn very better mode. At the same time, you can analyze yourself. We all go for examination which is going to conduct from the school, but here you can conduct the exam by yourself. There is a system in it, so that from the lower mode to middle mode to higher mode, once you complete the process, that means you well understood the subject or the chapter. So that is the main feature of this platform. So dear students, utilize maximum, because management has decided, always you know, Malabar you go for the development with unique facilities. Yes, here also we are implementing the system, launching the system here today. From next day onwards you are going to get it in your tab, and that one, from that moment when you receive the system with you, definitely try to use it. And if you have any doubts or any confusion, come back to school, to the teacher, to the technical department. They are clearing your all doubts, and you can make it more efficient learning methodology through this. So I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.
Today, 25th of September 2020 is a very good day for all of us, because today we have officially inaugurated our new educational platform, FlipLearn, with the Google Meet. So now onwards we are moving on to new platform. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is more beautiful than lily. Rose is the most beautiful flower. Sometimes you may wonder why I said this example. I just want to compare. I just want to say about our learning apps that we have used so far. This year itself we have used 3 different apps, right? First, we have started using Microsoft Teams. Then we changed it to Webex Cisco. Now we are moving on to the third one. Here I can say Microsoft Teams is a good app, and Webex Cisco is better than Microsoft Teams. Now we are going to FlipLearn with Google Meet. I can say FlipLearn is the best app for learning purpose. So our management is trying to give the best to the students. As a result, we are trying to find out the best, because we focus, our motto is mold the leaders, right? To mold the leaders, we should give the best. So we were in search. At last we reached in this app. So far, when we checked the different apps, we felt this is the most successful and effective app. That's why we have selected this one.